TireGA allows you to search for tires for average, everyday vehicles and commercial trucks. If you already have an idea of what tire size you want, then you may want to search by tire size. Choose by size and input the tire width, aspect ratio, and rim diameter. If you are unsure about your tire size, you can of course call our local store to speak with a professional about your options, or choose to browse for tires by vehicle. To search by vehicle, you will need to input the year, make, and model of your car, along with the body style and trim level. For example, maybe you have a 2006 Honda Civic LX. Go ahead and hit search. Sometimes you will come across a screen like this for multiple tire size options. This is all really based on personal preference, but we would of course recommend you speaking with one of our tire specialists if you aren't sure what you'd want. You will be directed to a map for you to find our most convenient location for you. For this example, we will choose Chamblee. You are first given our carefully selected choices for what we consider the best, better, good, and economy tires for your specific vehicle. To browse more selections, you can scroll down. You can even use filters, sort through the selections by price or brand, and even compare multiple tires at the same time. To find more specific details, including features and benefits, you can click the tires by name. This selection seems good, so we will add this to our cart. From here, you can choose a time to either pick up the tires from the local shop that you had selected earlier or schedule installation. We have complimentary free next day delivery to each of our shops if purchased before 5 p.m. Fill in your details. If you are interested in purchasing any additional services like installation, alignment, maintenance, or other repairs, you may purchase them in-store. If you are interested in installation, then we recommend utilizing our full tire quote for an accurate quote of what you will be purchasing in-store. We recommend purchasing 4 tires to take advantage of our Buy 4, Get Free Alignment limited time offer for online purchases. And don't forget, any purchase of 4 tires receives free lifetime maintenance. Once everything is filled in correctly, you may choose to pay online or in-store. When paying online, it will redirect you to PayPal, and you can choose to pay with PayPal or choose the selection below to pay with debit or credit card. You will receive a confirmation email with a summary of your purchase. Come in at your appointment time and we look forward to seeing you.